Okay, this is going to be kind of an unboxing. Definitely a review, kind of an unboxing. Basically, I've worn this watch for a few days now. Uh, but I'll at least show you how the watch comes. So, I ordered this from Steinhart, uh, and I think Germany is where it's shipped from. Uh, so let me get some of this paperwork out of the way. I'm gonna have to pick up the camera. There's a little piece of Copenhagen. Sorry. Uh, so that's how the watch comes in this good-looking. Uh, nope. Let me just drop it. The little booklet here. More Copenhagen. Okay, so this booklet here is supposed to tell you like what movement you got. Basically, on the website, you could either get the Sellita SW200 or the ETA 2824. Now I'm going to they're both checked, so I have no freaking idea. And I guess that means like the Ocean One could come with either the Sellita or the ETA. So in the factory, they knew that this booklet was going with an Ocean One, so they checked both of them. That's kind of annoying. So I don't know which one is which. I'm guessing it's the ETA based on how it acts. I have another watch that has an ETA movement. Well, this one that I'm wearing. Let me shove it right in your face. And the movement acts the same. So this is the good looking leather case it comes in. And there it is. Now, this is the Ocean One 39. And I've already see the extra links out down there. I've already sized it to fit me. So let's get the box out of the way. Okay, now let me get a cleaning rag because my hands are dirty and I'm gonna fingerprint it up. Okay, so this is the Ocean One 39. This is 39 millimeter. This is the mother of pearl dial. If you can see that, with white ceramic bezel insert. So basically, I didn't want to do the only other color I liked was the classic black, but I'm saving that for basically either a Tudor or a Rolex if I ever do. But the white is, I thought it was going to be a little bit flashier, but I knew that the watch being 39 millimeters wasn't going to be a big sort of statement maker. But the white actually is very subtle. I really, really, really like it a lot. It's not near as flashy as it was sort of presented to be on the website, which I really like. Okay, so dimensions. Now, I'm going to do this. I'm not going to look it through the viewfinder while I do this. Okay, so you've got 39 millimeters there. We knew that was coming. Okay, lug to lug. Can you read that? 47 millimeters, lug to lug. Thickness. Now, this is where I'm picky. I don't like them too thick. And that is easily within the realm of acceptability. I feel like my Seiko SKXs are too thick. I mean, I love them, but okay, so lug. That's actually a 20 millimeter lug. It's 20 millimeters. Take my word for it. Okay, so it's sapphire crystal ceramic bezel insert. Solid end links, screwed bracelet links, and you see you get a half link there. Basically, you get a half link on each side, so you can really make this bracelet fit perfectly. Now the clasp is all milled. Clasp is super nice. I kind of wish it was push button like this glycine, but that's okay. That's okay. The bracelet has a pretty significant taper. So up there at the top, we know it's 20 millimeters and tapers all the way down to, 15 and a half. So, and you really notice that. You really notice that on the wrist. It wears very small. This, well, I say that the glycine is 42 millimeters, but very thin and bulky. Oh, if I can contort myself. But you see the size difference is noticeable, but it makes it very, very comfortable on the wrist. Okay, let's look at the case back. I'm sure you've all seen this before. And you know me, I left the sticker on. So, Swiss automatic movement. Jeez, crow. Okay, Swiss made, Ocean 39, sapphire crystal, yada, yada, yada. The nice engraved, what is that? I don't know, some sort of Spartan riding a seahorse, maybe? I don't know. But the solid end links, this bracelet is a gem. The bracelet is fantastic. No, like, saggy, no jingly jangly. Super, super solid. Now, let me get the my macro lens, and we'll get up close and personal. Okay, so with the macro lens, you can really get, if my hand is steady enough, you could really get in there and see how everything looks, how everything is printed. Lord, that's shaky. And it looks really, really good. Looks really good. Nice, crisp and clean printing. No burrs on any metal. Can really, really see how, and this is one thing that's important. The numbers on the ceramic bezel are silver metallic. And when you, let me take my feet. See, when you can't quite see like if they're black or what, but they're actually like polished metallic, like the polished stainless steel. Now I don't know what exactly it is. I don't know if it is steel or if it's some sort of, I don't know, like foil or something like that. But that's what, it's hard to pick that up when you're looking at this watch, like on the website or online or something like that. That's a really hard detail to, to get in a shot. But you can see how the mother of pearl dial is playing with the light off of the bezel. I meant the the chapter ring, or lack thereof, I should say. Get some more sort of detailed shots of the printing and the applied indices and that sort of stuff. But yeah, this came straight from Steinhart's website. Very a lot of value, here, and they seem to be holding their value well, which is important for me. I don't want to feel like I'm throwing my money away, even though, like, who needs more of these things? But okay, so there it is. One thing I will do is I'm gonna set you back up, and I'm gonna pull the crown out and scroll through the movement, see when it changes, when the date changes, and that sort of thing. So give me just a sec. Now we'll unscrew the crown. Now let me pull it all the way out, and I'm going to cycle. I don't know if this watch is on AM. Oh, I'm sure it's on PM. Okay, so let's see when the date changes. Oh, starting to see some movement at 12 o'clock. Okay, so about 4 minutes prior. Oh, that's interesting. Look at where the date stopped. That is interesting. Well, how about that? So the date jumped over and was a little bit misaligned. I'm not gonna try it again, but I will show you. We've all heard about how glycine modifies their ETA movements. Let me show you how this thing changes its date. Oh, wait. This is magnificent. And my minute hand, let me get the minute hand out of the way. Now watch this joker. I mean, within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes of midnight, the date changes. Pretty astonishing. Pretty astonishing that glycine's done that. Okay, that is all, folks. Real quick, I forgot to do a lume shot. So let me charge it. Oh yeah, nicely. That big old pip at 12 o'clock. Nice blue lume.